Come on, Aaron.
You have a new Welsh captain, Aaron Ramsey, for to introduce you, sorry. You all know who he is, but obviously the new Welsh captain, Aaron Ramsey. Gareth.
I was going to say congratulations, but congratulations again. Not the first time you've done it, because if any of us look back, you did it as a very, very young man, very young player. But how easy / how difficult to accept the role as being captain of the national team?
It's been a long time since I last had it, and a lot's changed in that period of time. So, no, I feel like I'm ready for it now. I've learned a lot over the years. I was 20 years old when I last had it, so of course, it's a very unusual experience at the time. One that I was be forever grateful for from Gary, but yeah. But now I feel like I'm ready for this. It's a really proud moment for me and my family, and hopefully it could be a very successful time for us. I was just about to go out for some food with my wife at the time, and I had a call and I said, "Sorry, love, I'm gonna have to take this." So I took it, and he said then that he wanted me to be the captain. So obviously, that meal tasted a little better, but I think it was a very proud moment for me, and I was just grateful to have that opportunity again to take that role up. So we have a lot of players in this team who are natural leaders, and of course we're going to need every single player to be able to do the things that we want to do, and for them to bring their own leadership qualities as well. So but for me to be given that opportunity from him, is a dream come true again. A bit of time, a few weeks to digest it all, and you're ready to go again. So, I've come back, and at club level now we've been doing really well, and I'm enjoying my football and playing well. So, there's a lot to look forward to. The players, Gareth, Joe, Johnny, Guns, they've been instrumental for us over the years, and will forever be part of Welsh history. And so football's forever changing, and there'll be opportunities now for these younger players to step up and to show what they're capable of, and to create a bit of history of their own. So we're excited. We'll miss all of them players around the place. This squad is very very exciting now to be a part of, and hopefully we can hit the ground running straight away here. Even though we are a young squad, there's a lot of young players on a high number of caps already. So the majority of the team is remained intact, but we are missing them players. But there's so much excitement with some of the players that are playing at the highest level at the moment, and can definitely make their own history with this team. And this it's very exciting to be a part of this team, and so much opportunity for us. I'd be open to any for any conversations for any younger players if they want to come up and ask me anything or want to understand things. I think I can also put an arm around somebody if they need it, but no, for me it's just to be myself, and to lead by example, and hopefully that will show in the way that I play and the way that I handle myself around the place and in certain situations. We just want to progress again and start in the right way. We want to be a team who is attacking. We have a lot of pace in the team, a lot of fit young players. So we want to be on the front foot, and hopefully preparations go well this week, and we can take that into the first couple of games in this campaign. I think now it's important for us to keep the same values that we've had over that period, and tweak one or two things maybe, but in general keep them core values that we have, which is what our success has been built on. For us now is about just getting to work this week and making sure the preparations are right for that first game, because we know how difficult that's going to be, but we all know how important it is to get off to good starts.